Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can turn on noise cancellation for your AirPods across various Apple devices. To save time I've already paired the AirPods, and if you need to know how to pair your AirPods with any Apple device, be sure to check out my channel. So let's start off with the device where you use your AirPods most commonly, and that's the iPhone. What I'll do first is just pop the AirPods on. So let's take out the right ear and then the left ear. Next, I'll go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and here I have Andrew's AirPods Pro. I'll select, and right here I can turn on noise cancellation. I'll turn that off for now. The second way to do this on the iPhone is to go to the control center, and here you can see the volume, so I just need to press and hold that. And here I have noise control off, press that, and I have the same option there for noise cancellation and off. So that's how you do it on the iPhone. Okay, next up is the iPad. So let's go to Settings, then onto Bluetooth, and you can see the AirPods Pro. I'll select these, and here again we have noise cancellation, off, and transparency, just as we did on the iPhone. So let's close this up and let's go to the control center. I'll swipe down. This time, however, we have a volume icon, and if I press and hold it, I only get to slide the volume up and down. There's no option for noise control for these AirPods. Slightly different with the iPad. In front of me I have a Macbook Air running Big Sur, and to change the noise cancellation on this is a cinch. All I need to do is go up to the control center, then across to Bluetooth, and here I have the options. I can turn off, turn on noise cancellation, or go into transparency mode. Simples. And to round things off, I have the Apple Watch, and it's quick and easy on this too. All I do is swipe up from the bottom of the watch, go down until I get to the AirPlay icon. Here I have various audio devices. I'll of course select the AirPods Pro, and right above it the options for noise control appear, so I can go to off, noise cancellation, and transparency. And there you have it, how to change noise cancellation across Apple devices. So I hope you found this video fun and useful. If you have, I'd really appreciate a quick thumbs up. It really helps me out in the channel. Let me know in the comments which device you use your AirPods with, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know and I'll be sure to make them. Anyway, that's all from me, and I'm wishing you a great day ahead.